Hello everyone, it's Ravindra here back with another video. In this video, we will learn how to apply filtering, sorting and pagination in .NET Core Web APIs. If you find this video helpful, then hit the like button and leave the comment. Make sure to subscribe this channel to get more videos like this. So let's get started. First of all, we need a .NET Core Web API project. I already have created it and did some basic configuration. I also have added one more project here, which is a C# class library. There we will define database and business logic. So here I have created a book class that will represent a database table. It has properties like ID, title, author, year and language. I'm using SQLite as a database, and in this book context class I have done all the configuration. We have one more class here, paged book result, which have properties of books, total counts and total pages. Inside a repository folder, we have a book repository class. We will create an interface iBook repository here, and book repository class will extend this interface. Now we need to register this service, so open the program.cs file and add this line here. Inside the interface, we will declare a method book result, which will return the task of paged result type. It will take the parameters term, sort, page and limit. Term and sort are nullable here. Now inject the book context class here, and we also need to register the book context. Open the program.cs file and add this line there. Now we will implement the getBooks method in this class. Declare a variable iQueryable books here. Now we will check whether a parameter term is null or not. Term represents the search string here. If term is null, we will fetch all the data. Else we will filter the records. First we will convert term to lowercase. Now we will check the condition where either a title contains the search term or author contains the search term. Now we will apply the filtering. I will explain everything once I finish this method. If sort string is not null, then we will move to this block. This line will create the array by splitting comma separated strings. Declare a string builder, order query builder here. With the help of reflection, we can fetch all the properties of class book. Loop over the sort fields. By default, sort order will be ascending. Trim the variable field and store the value in a variable sort field. If sort field starts with minus sign or hyphen sign, then we will remove the minus sign and change sort order to descending. Now we have a field name by which we want to sort, but it might be in camel case, lowercase or uppercase. So we need to find actual property name. We will find actual property name from property info array. To ignore the case matching, we are using the string.equal method here. If property is null, then we will skip this iteration. Otherwise, append the property name and sort order in the order query builder. Now trim the trailing comma and white space here. We need to install package here. So right click on this class library project, go to the NuGet package manager and search system.link.dynamic.core and install this package in the class library project. If order query is not null here, sort the books by order query. Watch carefully, this order by method is defined inside system.link.dynamic.core library. In the else condition, we will sort data by ID, and this order by is the regular link method. We need to use this package here. Now we will apply pagination. We are assuming that we have total 101 records. Current page is 1 and limit is 10. Get total counts here. Find the total pages here. We are using math.ceiling method here. Let me explain why. Suppose we have 101 records and page limit is 10. So total pages will be 101 by 10 and it would be 10 point something. If we apply ceiling method here, it will convert 10 point something to 11. So if we have 101 records with limit 10, then we would have 11 pages. In the 11th page, we will have only one record. Apply some pagination logic here. Skip page -1 into limit records and take limit size records. Create an instance of page book data and assign values to its properties. Let's understand what is going on here. Let's assume page equals to 1 and limit equals to 10. In this case, we will skip 1 minus 1 into 10 records. It means in the first page, we won't skip any record and will take 10 records. In the second page, we skip 10 records and take 10. In the third page, we skip 20 records and take 10. Let's understand the sorting logic here. Suppose sort equals to title comma minus year. We will sort data by title in ascending order and sort by year in descending order. Minus sign indicates the descending order. Now sort field array contains two items, title and minus year. Property info array will contains all the properties of book class like ID, title, year. In the first iteration, field will be title, sort order have default value ascending. After trimming the field, now sort field would be title. We will search the property with name title from property info array. Append the value of property name and sort order in the order query builder. Now order query builder have the value title ascending. Now we are in iteration 2, field is minus year here, sort field is minus year also. Since our sort field is start with minus sign, then we can move to if block. We will remove the preceding minus sign from the sort field. Sort order will be descending now. Property equals to year now. Append the value year descending in the order query builder. Now order query builder have this value, but it has a trailing comma and white space. Here we will remove the trailing comma and white space and store the string in order query. If order query is not null here, then sort item by order query, otherwise sort item by ID. Create a book controller, inject the book repository here. Create a get method, get books with parameter term, sort, page and limit. By default, page have value 1 and limit have value 10. Call the book repo.getBooks method and store its value in book result. In response header, we will add some values. X total count header holds the total records, X total pages holds the total number of pages. Now execute this endpoint here. You can see we have 10 records here, ID equals to 1 to ID equals to 10. Let's set limit equals to 20. Now we have 20 records. In response header, we have X total count and X total pages. Let's filter it with term pride and here is the result. Let's filter it with Leo and it will search Leo in the title and the author, and here is the result. Sorted by title, and it is also sorted by title in ascending. To arrange it in descending, you need to put minus sign in the beginning. Now our data is sorted by title in a descending order. You can also sort it by year and it is the result. So that was all about filtering, sorting and pagination in .NET Core. That's it for now. See you next time.